Hi, I'm Temitope Adeniji, and you are welcome to Ogantope Chem Clinic, where chemistry becomes crystal clear. In this episode of my video lesson, I'm going to walk you through the introduction to chemistry, where we are going to consider the following outline. What is chemistry? We are going to consider the branches of chemistry and what are those science subjects that are dependent on chemistry, and why is chemistry so important. So what is chemistry? Chemistry is the scientific study of matter and energy, which focuses on their composition, structures, properties, and their transformation processes. Chemistry explores the constituents of the universe, which is made up of matter. And what is matter? Matter is anything that has weight and occupies space, or I can equally define matter as anything that has mass and occupies space. A very good example of matter are elements, compounds. So we have to study the interaction of these elements and compounds and how they undergo chemical reaction. So during the chemical reaction, they tend to undergo certain transformation. So during transformation, new substances are formed. So chemical reaction involves the formation of new substance. We also need to talk about the composition of matter, which include atom, ion, and molecule. In chemistry, we study the structural arrangements of atom and molecule. From the property, we look at the physical characteristics of these substances. When they undergo certain reaction, we observe the kind of transformation that occurs in this matter. A very good example of physical transformation that may occur in matter is a change of solid into liquid or liquid into gas. When chemical reaction occurs, we are going to observe that new substances are formed, and at the same time, energy will be evolved or absorbed during a chemical reaction. Matter exists in three different states. We have the solid state of matter, the liquid state of matter, and the gaseous state of matter. These are the three states of matter. What are the branches of chemistry? The main branches of chemistry include, we have the physical chemistry, the organic chemistry, the inorganic chemistry, we have the analytical chemistry, as well as biochemistry. Now, the chemistry as a subject has been subdivided into these segments for easy understanding of the chemistry. In order to make chemistry crystal clear for you, I'm going to work with the following segments of chemistry. So my classes have been segmented into physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and we have the general aspect of chemistry. The segments that we are going to follow for our chemistry classes are physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and general aspect of chemistry. So kindly take note of these segments. Chemistry is considered as the central science, and I call it the central nervous system of all science subjects because it provides fundamental understanding for other scientific disciplines like mathematics, biology, medicine, environmental science, earth science, physics. Okay, so this is the reason why I consider chemistry as the central nervous system of all science subjects, because every science subject depends on chemistry. Importance of chemistry. Why is chemistry so important? Chemistry is crucial because, one, it explains the world around us. Chemistry drives innovation, and also chemistry connects sciences. That is, it serves as the bridge between biology, physics, and provide insights to other disciplines like the biochemistry, analytical chemistry, and other fields of chemistry. Did you know all this about chemistry? Now follow me. Chemistry is defined as the scientific study of matter and energy, and it focuses on their composition, structures, and properties. Chemistry also studies the transformation of energy released during chemical reaction. Now, what are the branches of chemistry? The branches of chemistry include physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, analytical chemistry, and biochemistry. What are those subjects that depends on chemistry? Now, I will say that chemistry is considered the central science, and I will say that chemistry is the central nervous system of all science subjects because it forms the bridge between mathematics, biology, medicine, environmental science, earth science, as well as physics. Then what are the importance of chemistry? Chemistry explains the world around us, it drives innovation, and also connects sciences. So for the new students that are just joining the science class, I want to believe that the introduction to chemistry has really made chemistry as a science subject crystal clear to you. So if you find this video lesson so interesting, kindly click the subscribe button and share with your friends right now. You can also follow and like my Facebook page. Thanks for watching.